Hello guys, good morning to everyone. I am Vishnuvardhan Reddy. Now I will demonstrate an overview of knowledge management in ServiceNow ITSM. First, we are going to see the objectives of overview of knowledge management in ServiceNow. Introduction to knowledge management, life cycle of knowledge management, roles in knowledge management, knowledge base and its types, real-time scenario, benefits of knowledge management in ITSM, article templates in knowledge management. Now we are going to see the introduction of knowledge management. Knowledge management is the strategic process of capturing, organizing and sharing information within organization to enhance efficiency and innovation. It ensures that valuable knowledge and experience are not lost but reused to solve problems faster. In ServiceNow, knowledge management empowers teams to create a centralized hub of information, transforming individual expertise into collective intelligence. Knowledge management lifecycle. In knowledge management lifecycle, first step is creation. Knowledge is generated or captured from various sources such as documents, expert inputs, or lessons learned. Second step is review. The newly created knowledge is examined for accuracy and completeness. Approval. Verified knowledge is formally approved by designated authorities before it's made available. Publishing. Approved knowledge is distributed or made accessible to the intended audience via portals, databases, or documentation. Use of the knowledge. Knowledge is applied to practical scenarios by users for decision making, problem solving, or process improvement. Feedback. Users provide insights or suggestions on the useful clarity or gaps in the knowledge, helping to improve its quality. Retirement. Outdated or irrelevant knowledge is achieved or removed to ensure knowledge management system remains current and effective. Roles in knowledge management. Knowledge contributor creates and submits knowledge article in ServiceNow. Knowledge reviewer reviews the article for accuracy and completeness. Knowledge manager manages the knowledge base, workflows and lifecycle. Approver approves the article before publishing. End users, service desk agents access the use knowledge article to resolve incidents or queries. Types of knowledge bases. The knowledge bases types are IT knowledge base, KCS knowledge base, general knowledge base, known error database, FAQ knowledge base, policy knowledge base, and articles are standard articles, known errors, FAQ article, how to guide. In standard articles, system docs, troubleshoot, IT support will come under standard articles. Known error means common issues, solutions, KCS focus. FAQ articles, policies, FAQs, all users. How to guide types, workaround, are all come under how to guide article templates. This is about the knowledge bases and articles. Now I am explained by taking the real-time scenario. How to install a software request. First, article is created, article reviewed, and article is approved, and then article is published. After publishing the article, we will use the knowledge article using the self-service resolution. After we take the feedback from the user, and if the article is no longer needed, then we retire the article. Benefits of the knowledge management. Faster resolution, empowered end users, consistent service, agent training, higher first fix rate, cost time saving, compliance support, knowledge retention. Thank you for everyone.